In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search Nifty options in TradingView. Whether you are a seasoned trader or just getting started, understanding how to effectively use TradingView to search for Nifty options can greatly enhance your trading experience. First, make sure you're on the TradingView website. This platform is an incredibly versatile tool for any trader, providing insights and access to a wide range of financial instruments. If you haven't already created a TradingView account, you'll want to do that so you can save your work and customize the experience to your preferences. Once you've arrived at the website, the next step is to log into your account. This will give you full access to all the tools and features available on TradingView. If you're not sure where to find the login prompt, keep an eye out for it in the upper right corner of the page. Once logged in, you'll want to navigate to your chart page. This is your primary workspace and where all the magic happens. Here, you can view the markets, draw on charts, and analyze data. On your chart page, look for the search bar, which is often located prominently at the top of the screen. Clicking on the search bar opens up a world of financial data at your fingertips. You'll want to focus on finding options in the search menu. Now, enter NSE Nifty into the search field. TradingView will list available options related to Nifty, and you can scan through what's on offer. As you look through these listings, you'll see different expirations and strike prices associated with Nifty options. Remember, expiration dates will tell you when the option will settle, while strike prices are the set price at which the option can be bought or sold. Assessing these details will help you make well-informed trading decisions. As you click through, pay attention to various details, including volume, open interest, and premium, to get a sense of the liquidity and pricing of these options. Being informed will not only help in placing trades, but also managing risk effectively. In TradingView, you can customize this view further by filtering and sorting data to match your specific trading strategies or preferences. Before wrapping up, a quick tip. Always double-check whether you're viewing live data. Sometimes the data displayed may be delayed due to your subscription level, and making real-time decisions based on outdated information can have significant consequences. And there you have it. You've now learned how to efficiently search for Nifty options in TradingView. By understanding which options are available and how to interpret key metrics, you're well equipped to make informed trading choices. Keep practicing, and with time, navigating these tools will become second nature. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.